is throwing combinations now. Underrepresented fighting styles in mixed martial arts, in full contact striking, and all the world. But it is a wonderful school of martial arts with the Chinese informed martial arts, and it makes you a different kind of fighter.
He is really supported by his people, his hometown, Miami. The whole crowd from Gold chant behind him.
Yeah, unsurprisingly, partisan crowd here. The Pakistani flags are flying high around us here in the audience.
That's hard to get to for your offense, too. Shazab's looking to kick him in the head, right? Catches him, I think, again. This could be a bad sequence if the ref, his knee is on the ground.
Yeah, because Rind is really good at staying in a legitimate striking position.
Yeah. His knee is on the ground, but the other knee is up.
Yeah, which is illegal.
Yeah.
And this now, both feet, good posture.
Yeah, now he's fully legal.
That's a break. That's a break.
Yeah, it should be a break.
That is...
Yeah, but
I'm gonna...
yeah, I mean, you want to just is throwing combinations now. That's it. That is vicious.
Vicious Abe! Wow! Clean as you like it.
Shin to dome. And good night, noble adversary.
The way Yule was moving, you just wondered, was he going to zig and zag in the wrong way? Rin read it perfectly and landed as flush as you can do with that left leg.
Technical knockout right here, Karate Combat 61, Shazam
Rind with Shazam Rind.
Shazam Rind, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for him. At home in Miami, brother, congratulations, man. Against a very, very dangerous man, unpredictable guy. And you're shoehorning him in, your shins are violent pieces of your body. Tell me about this fight and what it means to you.
First of all, I would like to give big respect to my opponent. He accepted the fight. I was supposed to fight the another guys, but you know what happened? It's on social media. They ran away. They choose not to fight me in the pit. They choose to fight me in the groups. So, big respect to him. He came and accepted the fight. And Alhamdulillah, this win is not from me, it's from God. Allah, He gave me strength and power to make this win.
You've got people here waving the flag of Pakistan. You're at home in Miami. This is your house right now, man. This gotta feel special.
This is my house and I'm the king of this pit. Nobody can take this from me. And thank you so much for my fans. They came here.